Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel addressed a high-level side event at the United Nations on the theme, Revitalized Multilateralism. Recommitting to ending AIDS together. The event was organized by UNAIDS, the Global Fund, and PEPFAR. In her intervention, the minister reaffirmed India's commitment to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, SDG, of ending HIV/AIDS as a public health threat by 2030. The minister outlined India's progress and key strategies in the ongoing fight against HIV/AIDS, including the fifth phase of the National AIDS and STD Control Program, 2021 to 2026. Fully funded by the Government of India. As per the recent India HIV Estimations 2023 report, over 2.5 million people are living with HIV in India, but thanks to concerted efforts, the adult HIV prevalence is at 0.2% and estimated annual new HIV infections are at around 66,400. New annual HIV infections have decreased by 44% since 2010, outperforming the global reduction rate of 39%. India has made great strides in combating HIV/AIDS through innovative programs and robust partnerships, the minister said, pointing to a variety of youth-targeted initiatives like Red Ribbon Clubs in educational institutions and mass awareness activities such as the annual Red Run Marathon. Srimati Patel pointed out that India offers comprehensive HIV and syphilis testing to all pregnant women, with more than 30 million free HIV tests being conducted annually. In total, more than 1.7 million people are receiving free antiretroviral therapy, ART, through public healthcare systems, she said. She also highlighted India's role as the world's largest supplier of antiretroviral drugs. The country currently supplies over 70% of global antiretroviral medicines, ensuring affordable access for nations in need. We are proud to contribute to the global fight against HIV/AIDS by making quality treatment accessible worldwide, said the minister. Srimati Patel said that efforts to address stigma around HIV have been bolstered through the HIV and AIDS Prevention and Control Act 2017. Which ensures that all Indian states appoint ombudsmen to handle grievances and promote HIV prevention policies. Additionally, India's approach to integrating national health programs, including efforts to tackle tuberculosis, viral hepatitis, and non-communicable diseases, is helping address comorbidities faced by people living with HIV. The minister concluded her address by urging continued global cooperation, stating, "Breaking silos and building synergies is the mantra of the Government of India. Through collaboration, we will strengthen the fight against HIV/AIDS and build a healthier world for all." The Government of India remains steadfast in its goal of ending HIV/AIDS as a public health threat by 2030 through inclusive strategies, partnerships, and renewed multilateralism.